Software updates are automatically sent to your car. When an update is ready to install, a yellow alarm clock appears on the screen. One way to install the software is via your Tesla app. Simply press the software update button followed by the install button. The car will start updating in 2 minutes. The other way to install the software is press on the alarm clock icon. You can then select a convenient time for the car to install the update and press the schedule button. Or you can simply press install now. A 2-minute countdown timer will then start before the car commences software installation. You can now leave the car to proceed when the timer runs out. On the other hand, if you really want the car to start updating now, just rapidly tap on the countdown timer several times. The car will then install the update immediately.